Hey mga palangga, so let's try this viral night skin collagen mask from Medicube. So naglagay lang ako ng good amount ng product and ilalagay lang sa face kung saan dapat mo ilagay. Ano daw? So basically para ka lang nag-sheet mask. So ilalagay mo lang sa cheeks, sa forehead, sa chin, and sa nose. After ko may ilagay ang product, I let it dry for 15 minutes. So this is how it looks like after mo ilagay ang product. So tutulog na, okay? Because they said leave it for overnight, peel it off the next day. Gising ko kagad sa umaga, ayan na siyang tanggalin. It's up to you guys if you want to rinse it with water or just leave it. Continue with your morning skincare routine. So you can see madali lang din siya talagang tanggalin. This is how it looks like after kung tanggalin yung mask. Nakakabigay talaga siya ng brightening and glowing. Try it na.